it's your girl Karen. Welcome back to my channel, The Daily. All right, so I just want to thank you all for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking and sharing my videos. That helps my channel so much. All right, so please continue to do that. All right, and today I am going to make a banana bread. Oh yeah, that's right. Banana bread, baby. For those of you who like banana bread. Alright, so are you ready? Let's jump right into it. Okay, so here we are. So you will need 2 cups of flour, half cup of milk. This is whole milk. And then 1 cup of granulated or white sugar, 8 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and I have like a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, a little bit less than a tablespoon of baking powder, and I have here like around a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 egg, and about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, all right. So now we're gonna combine these ingredients. Okay, so right now I'm crushing these bananas, and as you can see, these bananas mix together the butter and the sugar. So here, the sugar first, and I'm gonna add the butter. It really doesn't matter which one you dump in the bowl first. All right, and then I am going to mix this together at medium-low speed. Make sure it's all blended. Alright, so as you can see, I blended in the sugar and the butter until it has a creamy texture. Okay, see how creamy that looks? Alright, I'm gonna lay this aside for a little bit. And now I am going to add the dry ingredients together. I'm going to blend them together. Alright, so I am going to mix these in. I'm going to mix the dry ingredients in together until everything is blended. And I'm using... So now I'm going to add the egg mix. Sorry, I'm going to add the dry ingredients to the butter and sugar. Okay. Now you can just pour the egg in as it is, but I want to kind of beat it out a little bit first. It doesn't matter one way or the other, but I just like to beat it out a little bit. And then you pour it in. Okay. And then for the milk, and the vanilla. And before I start mixing everything in with the mixer, I'm just going to use the spatula to kind of, you know, blend it in a little bit, like so. Now I'm going to start off on a medium-low speed. Now I'm gonna add the bananas. So I'm adding the bananas. And I'm going to keep mixing. I'm starting off at a medium-low speed. Now I increase the speed to medium high. Okay, so there you have your cake mix. All the ingredients are blended in nicely. So I've started off with a medium-low speed. Then I increased to a medium-high speed. And there you have it. I'm going to preheat the oven at 350 degrees. So this is a oh my goodness, 9 by 13 inch pan. I think I needed something smaller, but the other size I have is way smaller, so I think I need a size that's in between that smaller one I have and this one. But you know what? I don't want to take any chances with that smaller one that I have, so I'm going to use this one. So now I'm going to remove these blades. And we're going to pour it in and see what happens. This might be a little bit too big for it, but I don't want to take any chances with the, like I said, I don't want to take any chances with the smaller pan. Actually, this might be the right size. I need to get it together, guys. I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm not perfect. None of us are. Alright, so there you have it. And we're waiting for the oven to heat up. Okay guys, the oven is preheated, so I'm going to put this in for about an hour. So we're going to bake at 350 degrees for about an hour. Okay, so let's see how this turns out. Okay guys, here we go. It looks pretty done. You know what? I forgot what time I put it in. I know I looked at the time and then, you know, I forgot exactly what time I put it in, so I'm just gonna check according to the texture right now. Okay, so we're gonna stick the middle, and if the knife comes out clean, we're done. And the knife is nice and clean, so this is ready. So I'm gonna wait for it to cool off a little bit before I cut it open. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut it open. Look at that texture. Looks real good. See that, guys? Guys, it's all done. See that? All right, so let's taste it. Oh my gosh. This is, I don't need this pork. You know what I need with this? A glass of wine. All right, so here we go. So good. This is so good. Oh. A glass of wine with banana bread. The bomb. This is good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go on and make your banana bread and let me know in the comments below how it turns out, okay? Thanks for watching. Please remember to hit the share, subscribe, and notification icons below. See you next time. Take care and stay safe.